Give it up for Afro Black.
What it do? It's me. It's your boy, Afro Black.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yo, what it do? It's your boy, Afro Black. And look, going live can be a pain. Folks get so nervous. I'm finna show y'all right now what goes on when you first go live. But look, before I start the video, go on subscribe and hit that notification bell to see some more of my crazy video. Now pay attention, because this is how the lives go when you first start them off. Hey, no man. I thought somebody was right there. I guess I seen the one, but then the one disappeared. I don't know. No, ain't nobody still there. I guess I don't know. I guess everybody probably at work today. We're gonna wait for some people to get in. We're gonna wait for the people to come on in. If I get one more person, I'm gonna start my live. Just one more person. Now this when you start getting nervous right here. About 5 minutes done already passed you by. You done seen one notification pop up like there was one person in the chat, but then that person disappeared because wasn't nobody else in the chat. So then when you start getting nervous right here, you get to, welcome to the live again. Man, we be nervous as hell when we start that live stream. Don't nobody coming at you. Just be patient. They come on your ass, be scared of hell, gentlemen and ladies. This was your boy Afro Black, and y'all know that's how y'all be in these live streams.